It was good, boys. This is the installation for the X63 on the Nzxt starter PC Plus. I'm just gonna jump straight into it. We're gonna do the unboxing because this video is gonna be long. Alright, so we're gonna do the unboxing. Make sure not to cut myself. So yeah, this video is gonna be pretty long. Maybe if I show everything. I don't think I'm gonna show everything on how to install it because I really want to focus to install it, but I'll show the key parts. So if you want to install this, I suggest watching this video. I'm not going to show you the installation, probably, maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let's take this wrapping off. Throw this like right there. So boom, we have a box. It's so tight. I'm gonna have to rip it open, sadly. I'm gonna have to rip it open the bad way. This is how to not open a box. Tutorial. Just rip it open. There we go. Get this part out. Alright. Well, let's force that out. Boom. Alright, so you see the manual right here. We won't be needing this because I already know what to do. Just throw that over there, but it's useful sometimes. But usually the manual sucks, so. Alright, so let's get it out like this. Alright, nothing in the box, but we're going to save it because we save boxes here. Alright, so boom. We have it. We have the accessories. We have everything. We have a pump right here, the pre-applied thermal paste that we're going to be taking off. We have the two fans right here, and we have the radiator right here, and we just have a bunch of cables. Now I have to see if the cable that plugs in, yes, it's USB. Okay. All right. And then we have brackets right here and screws, and yeah. Pretty much it. So we have a bunch of stuff here, but this should be fairly easy. So yeah, I'm gonna end the recording real quick and I'm gonna clear out my storage because it's gonna be a long video, so stay tuned. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is the fans. I put them over there, but the fans that come with the cooler we're not gonna use. We're actually gonna use our LO120s right here. We have two of them. So hopefully they're the right fit. I have to take this bracket off and unplug everything. So we're gonna do that actually right now on camera. So yeah. All right. So I'm gonna put this box over here, and let's get our screwdriver and start taking it off. Let's get this knife over here. All right. Yeah. So these two fans, I'm not gonna use. Just because I don't know. Yeah, I honestly don't know why I'm not gonna use them. I just want to use my LO120s because I bought them for a reason. So yeah, I'm gonna actually save these fans though because I say always save your fans just in case of anything. Save your fans. So we're gonna save those. I have 4 of those. We actually have to unscrew this. I'm gonna unscrew this because this does not look nice there, and I couldn't find the plug for that. So let's unscrew this first before we do anything. Let's unscrew this. And there goes the screwdriver. Hold on. Ugh. Alright. So yeah, oh, you guys can't even see it. Alright. Come on. So we're going to be unscrewing this fan right here. And I'm going to stop the recording when we're done. Alright, so last screw to take out the top fan, and then after that we're going to take out the bracket for the other fans, for the LO120s, unscrew them, unplug them, and then we put the fans on the radiator and so on and so forth. So boom, all 4 screws are gone. take this fan out. I put that in yesterday, I think. I don't know why, but I put it in 2 days ago, something like that, for no reason. But yeah, all right. So now, this is the H510 case, by the way, if anybody's wondering. So you want to take these thumb screws and you just want to unscrew them like that. They're thumb screws, so you don't need a screwdriver. But if they are tight for some reason, you can use a screwdriver. So yeah. Alright, so they're out of the bracket. Alright, and now we actually have to unplug these. So this is gonna be a fun one because my cable management is terrible. Well, let's just unplug it right here. Our Corsair fan hub is back here, by the way, so that's what I'm unplugging it from. The RGB fan hub. If it could come out. But it won't come out. It's not coming out. Hold on. Let's do this then. Let's actually. Okay, first, this fan, where does this fan plug into? I don't know. Okay, but I know one fan plugs into here. So let's take that out. Okay. Where's the other fans? Clip it out, okay. Alright, so we got the connectors from the fan hub out. We need one more, and I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna stop the recording, take the fan out, and yeah, we're gonna start back from there. Alright, so we got it out, we got the bracket out with all the wires. So we're gonna lay it right there. I accidentally unplugged one wire, so I'm actually going to need a flashlight, so be right back. I gotta stop the recording because I'm recording from my phone. This is gonna be an annoying video, but we gotta do this. Alright, so we got the fans onto the mounting bracket as well as the radiator behind. So all we have to do is now put this onto the CPU, put the thumb screws on, plug in everything, and we're good. So I'll get to you then. Alright, so this is the finished product. It looks very, very nice. I love it. I love it so much. That looks so nice with the red RGB fan too, and the red backlight and the butt vinyl. This looks beautiful. This looks absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This wasn't hard to install at all. This wasn't hard to install at all. So, if you don't know how to build PCs or you're scared to put this in, this wasn't hard at all. I just couldn't show it because for some reason when I record me building in PCs, I can't focus. So yeah, but we got the Harley Quinn, the radiator right here with the 2 fans, but you can't see them because the H510 case is dog. And then we got the fan back there. This looks super nice, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'll be doing a review in a couple weeks, so yeah, deuces.